Now in this video we'll try using we'll try writing a program that will be also working for the Hindi. Okay, so we'll have to use for different plugin. Here you see the PYTTSX3 will not be working. So I am going to make a copy of it. Okay, so I will add here Hindi tts.py try full string rather than just 5 seconds. You can suggest any other one. You can suggest any other plugins as well. Okay, so yes. So if you want to cover a full long Hindi string to speech without cutting 5 seconds, without worrying about the GTTS limitations, so here are the better alternative. So so it is asking me to PYTTSX3 completely offline, no API limitation, support long test. Use Bark or this base to custom voice in Hindi. Okay, so I'll be trying this one Bark one. Let me try because the first one I have already tried, but Hindi is not working. So PYTTSX3 the Hindi is not working because we have here this one TTS. I have used, but we don't have that option in this. It. Now best custom. So let me try this one. So PY this. So it is saying me like this. Py minus employee, I got that one. So py my hyphen name I will have to use. Then it will install the bark, pip install. Then so if you go there, whatever you are installing, should I find something like this? Yes, I will be finding the py Python 313 then scripts. Okay, so it is installing. So it will download and install automatically. So it is taking time because it seems large file 216 MB. So again we have. So you don't have to worry much around because it will automatically download the other dependency here and install for you. Okay, so MP Math, Fancy, Typing Extension, TDBs, Simply. So lots of things it has installed. Regex, so packaging, NumPy, network. So I don't know anything around, but in the page coming, we'll also exploring all these ones. So So it is saying this one for 30.
भाई साहब आज तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया वालों की जमकर खबर ली साउथ अफ्रीका ने। मोर
Okay, so now, so this has given us different options. So GTTS, now OS, text wrap. So I guess everything here I have. So those are the, I think, the built-in thing. That is why it is taking just from this one. And now, if I come to, it's good this one. Let me try how it works. Yeah. So this is copy, and this is text pasted here. Yep. Try this one.
भाई साहब आज तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया वालों
So break this into 300 some. So I guess it will be creating multiple, uh, each 300 by 300. So I don't want that. So let me see. Yes. So here we have all the files. So I don't want a start. So from the next time I'll just comment that one. Okay, so we have all the options here. Like one we have, output zero we have.
भाई साहब आज तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया वालों की जमकर खबर
So up to 11 we have output 11, 0 to 11.
हार पर कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो आप? सच सच बताना। ठीक है। कैसे जोर जोर से हंस रहा है। देख हम आपसे मिलेंगे कल एक और नई वीडियो के साथ सुबह सुबह। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। फेसबुक पर देख रहे हो तो पेज को लाइक करना। कल मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय। जय हिंद और बवूमा और साउथ अफ्रीका की टीम को बधाई। बाय बाय।
Okay, so you see here how you'll be able to achieve that one, and even you pass everything in a one word. Let's see the updated one. I am just adding one U word, and let's see how it goes. So in case you have only one, so can I be able to use just 3,000 a single one? So it will take some time, and we'll check how the output is coming. Yep. So we have just used this one. So GTTS itself and OS and text wrap we have imported, and we are just basically using in a loop chunk inverted chunk. So GTTS. So if I come here and I see 0, so it is creating 0 1. So that means it is not
भाई
going to
साहब,
have more than,
आज तो
yeah. So if I come to open this one,
भाई साहब, आज तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया वालों की जमकर खबर
so
ली
it is
साउथ
just
अफ्रीका
adding
ने।
the
मैं
flag.
आखिर में ये टेस्ट मैच जीत ही लिया। एक लैटिन अमेरिकन सिंगर हैं शकीरा। उन्होंने 2010 में एक गाना गाया था, दिस टाइम फॉर अफ्रीका। जी हाँ, उस गाने के बोल
Okay,
आखिरकार
so it
सच हो
is
गए
just
हैं।
adding
साउथ अफ्रीका वाले अब
around
सी फॉर चोकर
just half of
नहीं,
it is adding at
बल्कि
once.
सी फॉर
So this is
चैंपियन
all good.
बन
I
गए
think
हैं।
we can
और
change
एक
that one.
बदलाव के तौर पर उन्होंने सिर्फ दिल, गुर्दा, किडनी